What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C. Will back at it with another slight video, man. Yo, today's video, man, I'm gonna just be talking about the steering wheel, bro, and I don't know what's going on with it, man. Right? Like the first, like I'd probably say the first week I installed it, man, it was good. Everything was cool, it was kosher, bro, you know. And then I started getting like a battery light on, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the battery light. I literally just started the car up, bro, and as soon as I started it up, boom, the battery light came on, you know. And like, this is not the first time that this happened, you know what I mean, y'all? It's probably happened like a couple days ago too, man. But I definitely do know it's the steering wheel, man. And it's not the way I wired it, y'all. I think like the power that the steering wheel, I guess, takes or needs is too much for the battery or something, or it don't have no kill switch to just turn it off. But I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, man. Y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro, and yeah, let's get to it, man. So as y'all can see, man, all right, so boom, look at that. See that battery light that's right there? All right, and I don't really know, y'all. Watch this. If I go to, hold on, I'm still new to this car, y'all. So I need to change my oil. I'm at 19%. See, so my battery is sitting at 13.98 or whatever, right? And I think that's like good, you know what I'm saying? Like, or like I said, I think that's good, y'all. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not you know. But yeah, man, like, I don't know. I'm not really sure, y'all, what the hell. Well, I kind of do know what the problem is, y'all. So yeah, and like, I don't know, like, this wasn't really told to me whenever I bought the steering wheel. I don't know if any other Trackhawk owners, or so even if you got a Hellcat, man, right, and you got the same steering wheel or similar steering wheel that I have, right, which is the LED shifting lights and also the light up airbag, y'all. All right, I don't really know if this is a common issue amongst everybody's stuff or if it's just mine. Shout out to my guy Steven in a demon, man. He ended up telling me, look, the same exact thing, bro. Like, you know, he literally warned me, like, right before this happened to my steering wheel and to my battery. He literally said, hey, bro, look, I don't know if this is a common theme with Hellcats or with these type steering wheels, man, but shit, mine ended up I guess draining my damn battery, bro. And I said, oh, word, bro, I mean, I'm gonna keep a lookout for that. And then, yo, I'm talking like the next freaking day, bro, I was driving, and then, like, yeah, this battery light came on. Hopefully y'all can see this, like, right there, right? This battery light came on, y'all, and I'm like, hold on, my battery, y'all, like, I got this car new, 2021, 6,500 miles. Now I'm at 9,000, you know. Hey, drive your cars, man, all right? Drive your cars, you know. But yeah, I'm at, shit, 9,084 miles, and I'm like, hold up, bro. Like, this battery, like, you shouldn't have to replace a battery, y'all, at least not this often, right, y'all? Like, not this often, bro. So yeah, I could either get the battery recharged or, hold up, bro, I don't know if the damn police right here. I'm not, okay, whatever. So yeah, I can either get the battery, y'all, recharged, but I feel like that's like a temporary solution, right? Like, I'm gonna have to keep doing that. Or I think what my guy Steven did was just like, shit, he ended up just getting a kill switch. I feel like, I don't know if he did it like just for the steering wheel itself to just not take power from the steering wheel to the battery, or if he just like did it, I guess, like the whole car just got a kill switch. But like, I don't know, that's the thing with this steering wheel, y'all. It's like, okay, the steering wheel itself, like, you have to, I guess, manually turn it off, right, y'all? Like, I can't really just so what you call it, I can't really just get out the car and then the steering wheel just go off by itself. You know, like, the steering wheel still stays on even after you get out the car, y'all. So that just lets me know that, okay, maybe I do need a kill switch for this car. Or not even for the car. Well, I'm gonna get one for the car eventually, y'all. But maybe I do need a kill switch just specifically for the steering wheel, y'all. And like, I don't even run the airbag light, like, pretty much at all. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's really just the power that's going to the LED steering wheel, y'all. You know what I mean, y'all? So come on, you good? So yeah, that's my issue that I'm having, I guess, trouble with right now, man. Right, y'all? Like, if I would have known this beforehand, I definitely feel like I would have probably just, I don't know, if I would have known this previously, y'all, I probably would have just got like the regular LED steering. Well, I'm sorry, I would have just got the regular steering wheel. I can't talk today, with no LEDs, bro. Just do carbon fiber all on the damn top. All right, and then that's it, bro. I wouldn't have did all the extras and this and that, y'all. So now, right, I have to find a solution, because this steering wheel is draining my damn battery. As y'all can see, right, the battery light is on, 9,000 miles. Your boy need to go put some gas. But yeah, man, I'm not really sure, right, y'all? What do y'all think I should do? So I think I might just have to open this boy back up, all right, and then just buy, I don't even know what the hell I'd have to buy, some kind of kill switch specifically for the steering wheel or something. I don't know, or just have the steering wheel run off of something else, not directly to the power. I don't know how to explain it, to the power of the actual vehicle. I don't know, it's really hard to explain, y'all. Hope y'all understanding that correctly. But yeah, like now I'm even scared to, like, I don't know, drive the car far and all that, because yeah, I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, this light gonna keep coming on, bro. But that's the thing, y'all. So literally this OBD2 port or sensor down here, watch, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Boy, it's snowing out here too, y'all. Look, got snow on the ground. So literally, y'all, this OBD whatever sensor right here is actually pulling power from the car, y'all. All right, so this right here, this sensor, that's what's pretty much giving this right here data. All right, y'all, that's the reason that it has data. So honestly speaking, y'all, like if I just unplug this, watch this. So see how it's on right now? It's pretty much connected. If I just unplug this, man, right, boom, unplug it, it's not gonna read nothing. See how it's just stuck at 757 RPM? You know what I mean? So now it's just stuck on it. So it's not reading nothing, not giving me no accurate nothing. All right, y'all. So yeah, I don't know. This was a temporary solution, right? Just to have this unplugged. But then I don't know if I have that unplugged. I think this right here will still work because this is like a separate app. But this right here, it's not gonna be reading anything. And as y'all see now, it's not paired. So now I can't even click nothing. It's just stuck, right? It's just stuck just like this. And then I don't know, if you hold this right one and this left one down, it'll just it'll turn off. So I guess that's how you manually turn it off, y'all. But yeah, man, if somebody would have warned me beforehand about this steering wheel stuff, y'all, I probably wouldn't have got it, bro. No cap. I would have just got this bit all green, right? All green right here, and just went full carbon with a little stripe in the middle. You know, it'll still look clean regardless, right? But come on, man, keep y'all cars clean, bro. This to me is dirty, bro. But you know, boy, try to do whatever I can do, man. But yeah, I'm at the mail office right now trying to pick up mail. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all, man. See if y'all had any expertise, any of my electrician experts in here, man. So see that this light is on, y'all. So as I said, I don't know if I'm gonna have to run the wiring, you know what I mean, from the steering wheel to like some other, I don't know. But yeah, I'm not trying to have this issue, y'all, because yeah, as y'all know, Dodges, Jeeps, Mopars and all that, they real bad on electrical, y'all. All right, the screens might stop working and freeze up. You just never know, man, with these type cars, y'all. So I don't want to risk it, man. I'm not saying I'm gonna sit here and put the other steering wheel back on and all that, y'all. I'm not saying that. All right, but what I am saying is, hey, I need to find some kind of solution. So if anybody know out there, man, or if anybody had problems, bro, with the steering wheel draining y'all batteries and all that, please come up on the net and let your boy C-Will know, because yeah, I'm not trying to deal with this, y'all. Right, it's the holidays. Your boy already spent damn near 2 bands on the steering wheel, y'all. Right, I'm not sure if I want to drop no more bread, bro. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, man, check this out, bro. I hate like recording and then yeah, all these people just watching me. But yeah, y'all, sorry. Like I said, I'm just recording off my phone. Little light slight video, man. This boy still look good. But yeah, bro, I'm finna get my little mail, little holiday mail. And then look, we supposed to be going to Berlin tomorrow, y'all. Right, so I gotta go get my rental today, because like I said, like I don't feel comfortable driving this boy 3-4 hours away. I'm sitting on like 19% oil life right now. And then yeah, my battery acting up, y'all. So I don't want to chance it. We get stuck. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable driving this boy 2-3 hours, 4 hours away. So yeah, your boy gonna get a rental today, man. And then park this boy at the crib, let it chill. I gotta change my oil probably next week, the first oil change on this car. So it should be cool, light slight. But yeah, let me go get my mail, and I'll holler at y'all boys in a little bit, man. But yeah, and then like something interesting, y'all, forgot to tell y'all. Something interesting, man, is like if you turn the car off, right, and you just let the car sit or whatever, and then pretty much the battery light is not gonna be on no more. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm gonna go get my mail and then get back at y'all right quick. All right, y'all, your boy got the mail. You heard me, light slight. Oh, All right, now look, moment of truth, y'all. Like I said, so man, I got the Charger, that good Daytona 392. See y'all boys. But hey, watch this. So cool, the car was sitting probably for about 10 minutes. All right, I had unplugged this board from the OBD2 port, whatever. Now look, watch this. I don't know if the car usually get time to reset itself or whatever, but okay, this still gonna come on, whatever. Let's see. And see, no battery light. You see what I mean, y'all? So I don't really know, but this right here is still on. It comes on right whenever you start the car up, and then it just goes off on its own. Like it says like system will now be shutting down. It says something like that, y'all, you know. But yeah, like I said, y'all, the car was probably sitting like 10 minutes. I went in there, got my little mail, bro, came back, and shit, yeah, now it's good, y'all. So I don't know, y'all. It's like it's not something that I'm just 100% alarmed on. It's not something that's like make or break or end all be all, you know what I mean, y'all? I'm not like super worried about it, but I also don't want to just like, you know, brush it off and then it ends up being something big down the line, or you know, I'm driving, I don't know, and then something crazy happen, y'all, like the car just failed, you know. Like I said, Dodges, Mopars, whatever, if it got a Hellcat engine or a 5.7, 6.4, 6.1, whatever, bro, these cars are notorious for you know, electrical issues, man. So yeah, like I said, I don't know, what should I do, y'all? I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, like I said, bro, it's good right now, right? Cool, you know, like once you turn the car off and everything's settled, and yeah, you unplug this OBD2 sensor, and I think this right here is only to let this sync up with the LEDs, bro, to be completely honest. Because I mean, I can really go in here and like undo the wire for this right here, but then this won't work, but this right here will still work, you know. And honestly, y'all, like it's still nice, but like I didn't want to pay all that money just to have this now work. You see what I mean? But is it really worth, you know, having a battery light draining my damn battery? Not necessarily, y'all, you know. So yeah, I don't know if I'm just comfortable, man, just only having this right here light up, and just, you know, disregarding the lights. Because yeah, I can go in there and see that the system will be shut down soon. All right, y'all, and that's because it can't read nothing from this. So it's like, okay, well shit, if I can't read nothing, then what's the point of staying on? See? And then like as I'm driving, y'all, it'll like come back on every now and then go back off, I guess, just to see if there's any kind of connectivity between the OBD port and then this. But yeah, man, that's my issue right now, y'all. You know, that's what's currently going on. All right, y'all, I think this car is great. It's cool, man, right? I just know, like I said, Dodges and all that, Mopars just have real bad electrical issues, man, and I don't want to change nothing, bro, with this steering wheel. Yes, it's cool, it's worth it, the presentation is nice, y'all, 100% CEEFAM, but at the end of the day, I think I care. See, look, and then it's gonna come right back on too, look, and then it's gonna go back off. So yeah, I don't know if I should just go back inside the steering wheel, y'all, and just undo or unplug the power, at least to like this, or if I should just go on Amazon, or I don't know, buy some kind of kill switch thingy just for this, so that it's not ever on, or I can just turn it on and off like whenever I truly feel like it. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what the hell I should do, man. But yeah, comment down below, let me know, y'all, if y'all had any issues, man, with y'all Mopars or y'all Jeep Trackhawks or y'all anything, bro. And you know, it's definitely pertaining to steering wheel, y'all. I know it's a steering wheel, y'all, only because I've never had this issue with this car. You know, I've never had this issue with none of my other Mopars, actually, y'all, right? But this is also the first time I've ever had a steering wheel like this too. So it's like it has to be the steering wheel, y'all. That's what I'm defaulting it to. All right, prior to this, the car was good. I had no issues, dog. You know, I was comfortable. I'm still comfortable driving it, y'all. It's just now I just have that fear in the back of my mind, like, okay, like as I'm driving, like that's the last thing you want to see, that red battery light. It's like, damn, you know, it's super alerting, y'all, right? Like that should make you not want to drive for real. So I'm like, but nah, like I said, y'all, as y'all see, it's good right now, man. There's no light on right now, so yeah, it just comes on, goes off, comes on, go off, y'all. But yeah, let me know exactly what y'all boys think I should do. This boy right here beautiful steering wheel, but it is draining my damn battery, bro. As y'all seen, like I said, it's not the first time I got this battery light to come on. Well, I'm not trying to get it to come on. It's not the first time that this light has came on. And yeah, I'm kind of fearful, man, that it won't be the last if I don't find some kind of like permanent solution. I'm not just saying some temporary solution so that it's good while it's good. Now I'm trying to do something permanent, man, because yeah, your boy paid too much, CEEFAM, to just, you know, not have this steering wheel, dog. That's on everything, y'all. Your boy paid a grip. So yeah, I deserve to have shit, nice stuff. Y'all deserve to see nice stuff on the channel, man, you know, and that's all I'm trying to really bring y'all, bro. But yeah, y'all see it, man. It's snowy out here, ain't nothing to really do, whatever, bro. Snow on the ground. Your boy about to go to the bank, deposit some bread, and just go from there, man. I might give y'all one little last walk around the car, bro, and just call it quits. Like I said, it's currently what? It's the 30th right now, y'all. 1:49. I'm recording this video for y'all because yeah, I am gonna be driving to Berlin tomorrow, man. It's the capital of Germany. If y'all didn't know, should be nice. Just want to take the fam out, man. Go do something cool. Go do something nice, man. Get out the house, right? Go travel and all that. I actually been, but this was like 10 years ago. I ain't really get to get out like that. Now we're gonna be there like 2-3 days, y'all. So by the time y'all see this video, I'm already be in Berlin, pretty much. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna give y'all boys one last little walk around and then go from there, man. All right, y'all, so just to show y'all, since I am recording off my phone, I had to stop recording and then turn these lights right here back on. So like I said, y'all, these lights still work, you know what I mean? This right here is something separate than this. Only this right here goes off of the OBD port thingy or whatever, just to get data from the car, which honestly I don't really care, because if you think about it, all those settings and all that stuff that is reading is literally right here, y'all. All right, so I'm not really losing nothing by having these lights right here off or gone. I just lost a couple of dollars, you know what I'm saying, because I paid for it. But at the end of the day, y'all, I got everything I need to see like on the damn dash anyways. But I just wanted to show y'all this right here is connected, I don't know, to the same wires that this right here is connected to. But yeah, I really feel like even if I only have this right here plugged in, I should still be good, man. You know what I mean? It's cool to have this, y'all, but it is what it is, bro. But yeah, these right here still work. But yeah, and then I have to turn these off manually as well, y'all. But yeah, just want to give y'all boys a slight walk around. I'm sorry for the wind noise, y'all, if any, man. Yeah, just want to show y'all boys the whip, man. I don't know what else to even do to this boy. Nah, so I definitely got to order me my rear diffuser. I want the like clear looking tail lights. They kind of pop, you know. I want to change this Jeep, maybe, I don't know, wrap it a different color or put it like carbon fiber. I don't know. I really think carbon fiber accents on this car would look good, since carbon fiber is already like a dark black gray type material. So I think it'll look really good on this car, y'all. Yeah, you know, this car obviously, bro, is good in snow. This boy good in any weather, y'all, for sure. But yeah, sorry for any wind noise, bro, if any. Your boy's recording off the phone, y'all. So yeah, let me know how this boy look, bro. I'm about to go inside the biz ain't. Your boy got to handle some business and then go home, pack my bag, and then yeah, head off tomorrow, man. So a happy new year to y'all, to y'all and y'all families, actually. And yeah, just gonna go from there, y'all. But yeah, hey, I'm about to end this video, bro. Y'all boys see me right here, you heard me. I hope y'all have a good one, man. Enjoy y'all family time. Enjoy y'all new year. Go pop some firecrackers if that's what y'all boys on. I know in Louisiana, we definitely popping them things, you heard me? But yeah, hey, stay safe. Happy New Year to you and your family, man. And yeah, I'm C-Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.